1 year later.
Concrete guy, Deric, Vert. It's gonna be one, man. It's gonna be one. Man, I already see. Like, we got a lot of the stuff done, man. We're going with the Alpine Halo. Dash getting done. Lower dash pane. Console, kick panels, dashboard custom. Custom back panels, custom tweeter pods. I ain't gonna tell y'all the layout, but it's gonna be crazy. All the carpet, seat belts, speakers, subs, amps, got almost everything just about there. And I had them bring me the car, man, so I could at least make the box, console, and the back panels. Y'all see it. So when y'all see it again, when you bring it back, man, top will be done, all the glass will be in and adjusted, front end will be back on. And shoot, I'll be doing my thing. I'll be running through it because all the pieces will be done. So if you need any parts for any car, hit me up, man. The cars, the line stay long, the line always gonna be long as long as I let it. So putting a pause on that, I'm about to start working on my own stuff. But I'm finna time out, y'all, man. We're getting everything started. Stay tuned. Warm it up when we get them out. Plain seatbelt. Get that one out. Yeah, it's loose. Put a couple hours in. Oh man, tackle some of that, and the rest, shoot, it's gonna be that. Would have put the rest of the deadener down, but I had to spray. Got some bubbles and stuff. I had to spray some rust treatment. You gotta let it dry for 24 hours before I put the deadener down. I'm put the deadener down, paint the dashboard, and I was gonna lay the carpet, but I'm not doing a tuning on the music. This car actually got a DSP, so the tuner come tune it. Then I'm gonna put the carpet down. Make sure I don't gotta replace that one single RCA that go front to back. This is the DSP. Dave Nadio DSP 408. I'm running all the amps right here, so you be able to tune and adjust everything on the side. Same thing with the batteries, dual Optimus. With the battery tray, at? Boom. So I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. The battery should be far back, and they got straps to hold them in place. Yep, that's how I'm gonna do that. And the trunk, I don't know if I said it, but he gonna come back, get the trunk finished off. But I'm gonna have all the wiring for the trunk in there. So the wiring for the lights, that's it. Yeah, everything else is gonna be hooked up. Speakers, tweeters, highs, mids, bass, and DSP. So what I'm gonna do is run the wire for the light for it and run a button, and I can just connect to it. That's how I'm gonna do that. But yeah, a lot of shortening and lengthening and pulling factory stuff out and stuff that I ain't supposed to touch. But there was a lot more that I threw away for some of the stuff factory, so it can still be used. The covers and stuff. If you got a donkey trying to put 6.5s in the back paws, you got to cut them. So just take the covers off, cut, and then put some deadener around it. I gotta order seat belts. He gotta get another headlight switch, a bunch of little stuff, but I'll see it, man. I'll be time-lapsing y'all again tomorrow. I ain't recording nothing today. But we got some seat belt bolts that was stuck out. Boom, boom. That one still stuck. Probably had to cut it and then grind it down, then drill it out, and that's gonna be that. But I gotta order new seat belts. The seat belt bolt missing. It was definitely right there, because I put everything back. I put these back too. They ain't there, but they over there. I took this car apart. It is February. I think I took this car apart in April of last year, and it's just not coming back. So, man. So I'll cut y'all back on, man. Probably tomorrow. Y'all posted on this one.
if they put two different things on one side, but the other side looked like it had just like waterproof caulk. This side actually had seam seal because it was hard, but it was all flicking up. So let's put some new seam seal in here. See where the flow made up at. Everywhere else pretty straight. So yeah, rust encapsulated and seam seal and brush finish. So I'm gonna let it dry 30 minutes, 24 hours for retouching. So I'm gonna get it's time. Tomorrow I'll come put the rest of the deadener down. Yeah.